Hello people, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to, this should be Friday's upload, so I hope you're all good. What have we had going on? We sold the blue Audi, so that went. I sold it to We Buy Any Car in the end, just to get a quick sale as it had the airbag light on, and I didn't want to delve too much further into it to get a bit more money, so I sold it to We Buy Any Car, and I get Charlie, the editor, to put the price on the screen now. Made a healthy profit on it. It was a lovely car. What have we been up to? So I sold that, just waiting on Christian the mechanic to get back to me about my 2-litre TFSI A3 my black one. I'll get Charlie Editor to put a picture of it on the screen now. Just waiting to get back to me about that. He's done the time chain, fuel injectors, major service. He's been working on it for ages, but that's nearly done, nearly ready to be sold. I've just got back from Big Truck. I've been on a 4-hour drive to Essex to get some tyres. So I'm getting my S3 wheels refurbished at the minute for my A3, and they're going, I can't tell you what colour they're going, it's a surprise, but they will look awesome. So I've just been to Essex to get some Michelin tyres, basically second hand but really good condition, got an amazing price for them, so I've gone and bought them now. Put a picture on screen now, thank you Charlie Editor. But yeah, I'll forward you to the next clip and we'll crack on. Boom. Going out in the 2-litre TFSI. Got my body cam on, boys and girls. This thing is so fast. It's ridiculous. Jesus Christ. All filmed on private roads. Control. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, gonna be from now on, it's gonna be just working on the cars, modifications, that bit of selling in the background, but nothing crazy, mainly me working on the cars, because I know you guys find that more interesting, as I've been told. The vids from now on are gonna be 10 to 15 minutes long, because people like longer vids, but not too long, so it keeps it interesting. But yeah, so stay tuned every Monday at 6 o'clock and Friday at 6 o'clock. Boom! Thank you everyone for watching the video. Yeah, if you'd like to see some new content on the channel, do let me know in the comments, or you'd like to see any modifications done, or what you want to see basically. Just let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned for what I've got coming. Got a new project car coming to the channel soon. Switch it up. It's a car I've wanted for a very long time. I'm not going to reveal anything in this video. But yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be really cool. Going to be doing some crazy mods to it. It's going to be a build series on the channel. It'll be really good. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Boom!